What should you see? I see a bender. A bender see a bear. The bear is jumping over the wall. I see a I see a bear. The bear see a gorilla. The gorilla growing in a tree. I see a gorilla. The gorilla see a bird. The bird is flying up the sky. I, I see a bird. The bird see a tiger. The tiger runs in the grass. I see a tiger. The tiger see a snake. The snake is fly down a tree. I see a snake. The snake see a girl. The girl is sitting on the rock. Little girl, what should you see? I see a girl looking back at me. Come on, man.